Namaskaram. Abhinandan. Contestant name Alisha Shaw. Guru Navratri 2025 theme Shakti Peeth.
Namaskaram, Abhinandan. So, this is my whole Golu setup of 2025 for Golu Navratri of contestant name Alisha Shaw. My theme is Shakti Peeth. I will be displaying various goddesses in this Shakti Peeth, and I have personally did sthapna of each and every goddess as per the rituals context, and this goddess is our life and soul of every day. Namaskar. Golu Navratri. The significance of this festival and the display is that people of this generation and future knows our Hindu mythology about the epic stories of different Hindu goddesses and gods. These stories tells us so much about life, and this we live today and for tomorrow. These setups are being made in his homes to celebrate the Navratris. Myself, Alisha Shaw, contestant of Golu Navratri. My theme is Shakti Peeths. There are 51 Shakti Peeths in India, which is associated with Mata Sati body parts and manifestation of Goddess Shakti. I have done sthapna of many gods and goddesses. My sthapnas are being done for the Golu Navratri. I have not only displayed the Golu dolls, but I have also done pujas for them. So I have done pujas and sthapna in our Shakti Peeth, which is Lakshmi Mata in Vara Lakshmi Puja 2025, Mata Vishalakshi after visiting Varanasi in 2025, Mata Durga on Navratri in 2025, and Mata Kamakshi of Kanchipuram, which is known as Kanchi Kamakshi Mata and Lalitamba Bagai. This is the details of my Golu, which you will see in the further in the video, which has in the top Kashi Vishalakshi Mata, then Lalitamba Bagai Mata, then Kanchi Kamakshi Mata. Then beside you will be seeing Lakshmi Mata, then Durga Mata. This is the list of the 51 Shakti Peeths in India. Now, I will be showing you the display of my Golu. So, this is about my Gopuram and the Golu display. So, firstly, this is Vishalakshmi Mata, Visalakshi Mata of Varanasi. Then we have Lalitambai Bagai. Beside we have Lord Ganesha and Lakshmi Ji, for which I am doing Diwali Puja today. Then we have Kanchi Kamakshi Mata. So this is my whole Gopuram setup for our Golu Navratri 2025. You can see my Kalash Sthapna, which is done for all the Matas. Then this is the Kumkum Puja of Yantra, which is called Shri Yantra, which is done for Kanchi Kamakshi Mata. So now I will take you towards our Prasadam setup. As you can see, banana has a significant importance in our culture. So prasad is being put over our banana leaf, which includes bitter leaves, then tulsi pata and the mango leaves. The prasad includes some sugarcane sweets. The Lakshmi Puja setup which I have done. So this is our Lakshmi Mata, which includes her Kalasham, then Beside that, the Ganesh Puja is being done. Some flowers are being put up. In the puja of Varalakshmi, we devote bangles of 3 different colors, that's green, yellow and red, to Lakshmi Ma, along with lotus seed, supari and some she shells. Along with that, one more kalash is being put along with coconut. As you know, Lakshmi Mata sits over lotus, so a display of 108 lotus flower is being put up. Now I will take you towards our Navratri setup. This is Mahadurga. This is about my setup of Durga Mata, the Shakti Mata, for whom we celebrate the Durga festival in Navratri. She is also known as Mahishashurvardhini.